we're going to color these in with crayons, and I suggest that you pick your colors carefully. Now, you are welcome to go in and do every color in the rainbow, but it's going to be a stronger and more powerful effect if you're a little bit picky about your colors and if you have some kind of pattern or repetition. We are not used to colors like white showing effectively, but for this process, which is called Crayon Batik, it will show up beautifully, more effectively, more strongly than black and brown and the dark purple will. As you color it in, it needs to get solid. You can't just skim over it. You're not going to put it there and then say, that's good enough. It needs to get solid, because what we're going to do is we're going to crumple our paper, and then we're going to put some paint on the top, which is going to go in where the crumples are, and it's going to make a textured pattern or design. Now, what I'm probably going to do here is I'm probably going to make these white, and again, you want to get it solid. I'm probably going to do these black because they're in a different group. If yours doesn't work quite right, take a little piece off. It's not good to take all of the paper off, because if you do, it's going to mark up your crayon. If you have your own crayons and you want to bring them, you are welcome to, and you should not share them with others because they're not going to take the same care with them that you would. If you are going to use the crayons that I provide you with, that's fine too. And I'm going to do, okay, I would do that more, and this is not quite solid. I'll go in. I would do this warm colors, and again, and I would do this one cool colors. A color like yellow, we're not used to a color like yellow showing up strongly. But for Crayon Batik, yellow, white, that lime green are much more powerful than dark purple, black, and brown. It's because of the value. Putting a dark paint on top of a light color has more contrast. Putting a dark paint, and I would go to the end, and here I would put some yellow, and here I would put some red. Now I haven't finished that in, but and then I would do orange and yellow and orange and red and orange and yellow and orange and red. I would follow a pattern, but you don't have to. And then I would go in on this side and I would do maybe cool colors. You know what? I tried this. That is not making a good mark. I'm not going to use that. I started with it, but I realized that's just not going to be a good choice for me. So I'm going to put cool colors over here and try to get it dark. So here I would do regular green, dark green. Actually, there's 3 greens, and I would do maybe the greens or the blues. But I'm going to have this background color a little different from this background color, and I'm going to follow a pattern. And I could put this a different color yet, or I could make some kind of pattern in there. But you need to pick your colors, pick them so that they're meaningful in some way, and that they have a relationship with each other.